Hi, this is Kerry Artag with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Monday, May 6, 2024. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to jump right to the fact that I'm looking for the chart right now. The fact that we closed above this meaningful descending channel top, descending flag at the top of a move, a setup for longer term bullish continuation, anticipating now over the next 1 to 2 weeks with NVIDIA and its capacity for expanded volatility, possibly within 3 to 5 days. 974, even the March high. Yes, we can double top here, but we already have something of a double top going, and triple tops are much less common. I think this level is very susceptible to violation over the next week or two. Above 878.99, I am sort of reaching for this longer-term rising channel top. I think we have bull trend resumption following, a couple of months really of the market trading sideways to negative in that sort of dynamic. And now that we're above 878.99, I do think this 1127.96 channel top should be considered a 2 to 3 month or sooner objective. And I say 2 to 3 months because it is rising at a pretty good pace. So under this scenario, if you like taking the long view, if you like trading more as a kind of a near-term investor, you could buy NVIDIA itself, the stock itself, and just hold out for that longer-term wave that I'm anticipating to the 1127.96 formation. You could also, if you're adept at options trading, reach for 1150, 1200 strike out of the money calls that don't expire. I would go 6 months out. I usually go out twice the distance in the expiration relative to the anticipated time horizon for reaching that objective, just to prevent or reduce the theta, that is to say time decay element, from the equation. Keep your delta level, the rate of the underlying option price in relation to the stock price, in check, or intact, I should say. So 878.99, above which we do have a rising channel top at 928.77 today, and it's a pretty decent distance away. What I mean by that is this is certainly a level that could be reached today given historic volatility, and if tested can contain daily buying pressures, and if settled above would then signal that 974 1 to 2 week target in as many days. 928.77 well suited for kind of the 3 to 5 day swing trader as well. The day trader, the 3 to 5 day swing trader, because we just may top out here into later week and fall away back to the 878.99 channel top. But of the two, 878.99 is by far the more significant in that it has, I think, implications over the next few months for 1127.96. If we get once again close today above 928.77, 974 even likely within the week, where we can top out on a daily basis. And certainly closing above 974 even, we're in the new all-time high status. And that should in itself result in a 1 to 2 month rally to 1127.96, which is once again a 2 to 3 month target above 878.99. Now, it is early in this buy signal, and we did close above it, but not by a significant degree. It would be in terms of just pure proximity. That we could close back below 878.99. Heck, we could even open below 878.99 today. And if so, I'm not expecting it, but if we do break, especially open today below 878.99, longs could go scrambling, exiting, and playing the short side even on day trade basis, 817.16 in reach. The simple channel structure well suited to contain daily selling pressure. So once again, day traders can make ample use of 817.16, and it would be considered a possible day target if we break, especially open below 878.99. Now, this former channel top that I had as a session containment level, I've reduced to just a minor point only. I do think that if over the next few days we close below 817.16, we are back on our heels as we move through the rest of the week and into next. There is, where can I find it? Is it labeled anywhere? Yes, it is, but it's 726.66. So let me say a couple things here. If we close today back below 878.99, that failure to follow through on a classic buy signal as played out on Friday, the failure to do that does carry with it bearish potential. And so you can play the short side. If you went long last Friday with the settlement above 878.99, if we close below 878.99, at the very least, exit your long trade, and you could consider playing the short side. That may mean reaching for 720 or 700 strike out of the money puts that don't expire for, I would go, this is like a 3-week play. I would go 6 to 8 weeks out on that expiration. And certainly 726.66, and that is an approximate level. We need to sort of dial that in, because what we need to do is create a new channel bottom by taking a trend line off of this high against Friday's high and projecting that rate against this low. It's going to be a little higher than 726.66, but it will still be dropping daily. So I can use 726.6 as an approximate objective, dropping daily. Closing below 878.99, I think you can play the short side in this market as we move into later May. And last thing I will say about that is if we then close below 817.16 and you've yet to go short, that is a clear indication for bearish continuation into the 720s and dropping on a daily basis. So I could draw that simple channel bottom here at 817.16. If we close below it, we're 1 to 2 weeks away from reaching the 726.66 channel bottom. But I'll say it one more time that if we close below 878.99 and you went long Friday, my suggestion is to exit that long position. And if you're comfortable with it, play the short side. That could mean reaching for 720, 700 strike out of the money puts once again that don't expire for 6 to 8 weeks. But if we close below 878.99, and I'm now talking to kind of like the 3 to 5 day swing trader, I think you can anticipate 817.66 where we can bottom out on a daily basis. Closing below 817.16 would then signal aggressive selling as we move through next week. 762, this descending channel top at 79.41 converges with 762 anyway. So I'm going to say closing below 817.16, 762 even, a 2 to 3, 3 to 5 day target. And over the following 1 to 2 weeks, we should fall all the way back to channel support at 726.60. But none of that I'm just covering a scenario that if we happen to close below 878.99. Until then, the bottom line here, worth repeating, is bullish above 878.99, expecting over the next week or two that 974 even all-time high that was put out in March of this year, and over the next several months, 1127.96. That is the headline, and I'm going to leave it at that for Monday's daily NVIDIA report. Please click like, share, subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow with Tuesday's NVIDIA, and you have a great day.